Perhaps this is a protest, but I'm not going to really call it a protest, but if I want to pay more for my power bill, well, then I should be able to use incandescent light bulbs, because I'm the one that's paying for this stuff by the kilowatt hour. And I'm tired of overlording, over-controlling governments telling me what I can and can't consume power with. So here's a 200 watt light bulb. Here's the LED bulb I am unscrewing. I'm taking this LED bulb, I'm chucking it out there. I'm screwing in an American 200 watt light bulb here. Wow, look at all that light. Isn't that just incredible? So, yeah. A 200 watt TV is perfectly fine. A 1300 watt electric space heater, but they're going to attack light bulbs. I'm sorry. As long as I'm paying the power bill, I can plug in whatever I want.